Hello and welcome back to TKSBAR. I'm your host Tessa, and today we're going to be making Campari cocktails. So today we're making Campari cocktails, but the reason why I decided to make Campari cocktails isn't because I love Campari, because I really don't, but it's actually because I've got so much liquor in my liquor cabinet right now and I need to get rid of it. So we're doing a little series on the channel. It's going to be called Liquidating My Liquor Cabinet, and we're going to be focusing on liqueurs, like specific liqueurs, and we're going to make at least 3 cocktails with these liqueurs. Try and, I don't know, motivate you to use up some of your liqueurs, or at least motivate myself to use up some of these liqueurs. But yeah, so today we're starting with Campari, and we're going to be making 3 different cocktails today, and they're all going to be built in the glass, so they're actually going to be pretty quick and simple. So let me preface this by saying I really don't like Campari. I don't like bitter things, as you can probably tell if you've seen a couple of my videos. I've got a very, very sweet palate. So I already know that these aren't going to be my favorite cocktails, but we're making some that I don't mind, you know? So Campari is an Italian liqueur or an aperitif, and it's very bitter in taste, and it's got this really pretty red color that matches my lipstick, if you didn't notice. But yeah, so let's get straight into it. So the 3 cocktails that we're making today are going to be a Garibaldi, an Americano, and a Campari Spritzer. So these are all really simple cocktails. Like I just said, they're all built in the glass. So we're going to start off by filling our glass up with ice. So we're starting off with 1.5 ounces of our Campari. Then we're doing 1.5 ounces of our Sweet Vermouth. Totally forgot to actually say this, but we're making an Americano first. So then next we're going to top this up with soda. Then to garnish, I've got a straw here, and then I've just got a lemon peel here, and I'm just going to express the oils out of that, and then just slide that, put this on the side. And there we go. There we've got our Americano. This straw is like kind of absurdly long, but whatever. So there we've got our first cocktail. I'll give it a little sip here before the ice starts to melt, and then we'll move on to the next one. Yeah, I don't necessarily love this cocktail. It's not my favorite, but it is an interesting flavor of the Sweet Vermouth with the Campari. I think that if you liked Campari, this would probably be a really, really nice cocktail for you. But honestly, I still kind of like this one. I still taste that bitterness of the Campari, but the Sweet Vermouth kind of like mellows it out a little bit. I think my club soda is a little bit flat because it's not that bubbly, but I think that normally it'd be a little bit more bubbly and it would be really good. So yeah, great first cocktail if you like Campari. So next we're moving on to our Garibaldi, and the first thing we're going to do is fill our glass up with ice. So this time we're starting off with 1.5 ounces of our Campari. Oops, wrong side. And then I've got some really, really beautiful fresh squeezed orange juice here, and I'm going to do 4 ounces of that. Then we'll just give that a quick little stir. So last thing we have to do is just try this, and I'll give it a taste. Yeah, that's really nice. You still get that bitterness of the Campari coming through, but it's not as intense because the orange juice kind of tones it down. And I actually really like this because it's got that nice sweetness from the fresh orange juice. And honestly, anything with fresh orange juice in it, I'm a fan of. But yeah, so we'll put this one aside and we'll move on to our last cocktail, which is our Campari Spritzer. Like the last cocktail, obviously we're going to start with a glass full of ice, and we're going to start off with 2 ounces of Campari. Then we're doing 3 ounces of our Prosecco. And then about 1 ounce of club soda. Lastly, to garnish this, I'm just going to put a slice of orange on the side. Just like that. There we've got our finished cocktail. Let's give it a taste. Yeah, this one, it's definitely all Campari. You get a lot of that Campari coming through. Actually, I'm just gonna put a little bit more Prosecco because I think that for me, it'll taste better. So I probably put 1 ounce more of the Prosecco, and I like that a lot better. It just kind of mutes, or I don't want to say mutes, but it definitely like tones down the Campari taste, that bitterness of it. You can still taste it. It still definitely comes through. It just definitely tones it down a little bit. Again, I'm not much of a Campari person, so already like, why am I even doing this video? I don't even like Campari, but I did like the Garibaldi. I don't mind this cocktail. It's never gonna be the first thing that I order. But if you are into that Campari taste, these are awesome cocktails for you. And it matches my lips. So yeah. Anyways, thank you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you like this new little mini series, liquidating my liquor cabinet, I would love if you let me know in the comments below. Other than that, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I think I already said that. Other than that, if you like me and you like this channel, I would love it if you gave me a like on this video and subscribe down below for more. Thank you guys so much again for watching this video, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye!